Welcome to this work instruction for the FLASC. Check the packaging for any damage before you start. If there is any damage, please contact Compose immediately and do not assemble the product. Take the splitter cartridge out of the box. The breakout cable has already been correctly laid in the overlength panel. Do not change this. There must always be enough room to slide the cassette forward after installation. This is to prevent damage. Carefully untie the ribbon. If it is known how much excess length there will be, it can already be stored on the panel. If not, connect the splitter cassette first and return the overlength to the panel. Simply follow all the clips on the panel in a circular manner, working from the outside in. Each clamp can be used twice. The second layer works from the inside out. The cable can be guided with a wide bend to the right or left at the rear. It is also possible to feed the cable to the front left or front right through the recesses provided. In this case, fasten it at both the front and the back of the guiding system with the two supply tie ribs in the manner shown here. Then cut it off tight. For larger splitters, a double cassette is used. It's operating in the same way as the single cassette shown here. Please note that the installation method differs between a right-handed and a left-handed cassette. The cassette is always installed in the correct way from the factory. Do not change this to avoid problems while sliding out. This is the end of the work instruction. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Compose.